Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome to CarsCorp. I'm your host, Mark, and in this video, I'll be reviewing the 1,258 HP McLaren W1. McLaren, the renowned British automaker, has unveiled its newest hypercar, the W1. As the latest addition to McLaren's legendary 1 Series, the W1 pays homage to the iconic F1 and P1 models that preceded it. The W1 is an engineering marvel that boasts an astonishing 1,258 horsepower. This incredible power is generated by a twin-turbo 4-liter V8 engine paired with an electric motor. The V8 engine, a new design for McLaren, features a flat plane crank design and revs to an exhilarating 9,200 RPM, producing 916 horsepower on its own. Inside, the W1's cockpit is designed for maximum comfort and minimalism. The seats are fixed but allow adjustable pedals for a customized driving position. Lightweight in-and-out-knit upholstery covers the interior surfaces and can be personalized through McLaren's MSO program. An 8-inch touchscreen on the dashboard offers Apple CarPlay connectivity, while USB-C and USB-A ports provide device charging. A Bowers-Wilkins stereo system is also available. McLaren has prioritized weight reduction in the W1's design, utilizing extensive carbon fiber throughout its construction. The car's suspension system features titanium bars, 3D printed uprights, and control arms for maximum lightness and performance. An active suspension system called Race Active Chassis Control 3 provides variable stiffness and steering feel, adapting to different driving conditions and modes. With this extraordinary powertrain, the W1 can accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in a blistering 2.7 seconds. It can reach 186 mph in under 12.7 seconds and has a top speed of 217 mph. The electric motor contributes an additional 342 horsepower, bringing the total system output to 1,258 horsepower and 988 pound-feet of torque. This immense power is sent to the rear wheels via an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic and an electronically controlled differential. McLaren has limited production of the W1 to just 399 units, all of which are already accounted for. The base price for this exclusive hypercar starts at an astronomical $2.1 million. McLaren has leveraged its Formula One expertise to develop advanced aerodynamic elements for the W1. The car features an active rear wing that extends backward by 11.8 inches, generating up to 2,205 pounds of downforce. Subscribe to CarsCorp to stay up to date on the latest news about the upcoming cars and be among the first to experience the aesthetic blend of style and performance.